Hello, this is Jamie. I'm a children's librarian with Tacoma Public Library. I'm here today to give you a quick introduction to another one of our databases. This one is called TrueFlix. If you're familiar with BookFlix, TrueFlix is kind of similar. It has animated stories and facts and websites and links to go along with a nonfiction book. To get started, visit tacomalibrary.org. Once you're on our webpage, go ahead and click Online Library. Click A to Z e-resources list. And TrueFlix starts with the letter T, so we'll click T. Scroll down here until we see that one, TrueFlix. Grades 3 through 5 combines award-winning true books with a collection of related videos, images, and web links. True Books is an actual print series that the library does have several editions of various subjects within our actual print collection as well. To get started, go ahead and click TrueFlix. You will see that picture of the library card there telling you you do need a library card number or student ID number to access this database. It already has my library card number in there, so it didn't ask me to type it, but you would just type it and hit go, and you're ready to go. So right here, you're going to see all sorts of subjects. And again, these are subjects that they have actual print books for. And you will see also that they do have updated ones as well. You'll see a nice new sticker there for Alternative Energy. That's one of their newer titles. So if you see one that you like, can go ahead and click that. I'll actually go ahead and start doing the Alternative Energy one because that's a new subject. Once you click the subject you like, you will still have easy access to go back and forth between other titles there on the left. Here's 4 titles that fit in this Alternative Energy subject heading. So right here we can go ahead and do wind power. And in a similar way that BookFlix does, it has a menu on the left where you can watch the video, read the book, and do coordinating activities. So you'll see right here, there's a video you can watch.
Is it true that traditional windmills and modern
And you'll see that it does have a closed caption option.
wind turbines operate on the same principle? Yes. Traditional windmills have giant blades that rotate when the wind blows.
You can also watch that in large full screen mode. When you have finished watching the video, you can read the book. And you can click the arrow to go forward. There is also a read to me option.
A need for alternative energy. We use energy every day. It fuels cars and powers cell phones.
This does also have an option for you to zoom in and out, and you can also watch it in full screen. You can always go back to the content drawer as well, table of contents on the side. And when you are finished, you can always click this close button and it'll take you back here. Now for our other activities, we have Explore More. These are articles done by Scholastic, so you can always watch or read those. It does have primary sources and all sorts of other information here for you. Project Idea, this is always a fun spot as well. Gives you a suggestion of an activity to do with that subject. And then we do have the Activity Center. There's a quiz and also a word match activity. There's also an Explore the Web feature where it will give you links to outside websites. And then it'll take you back to the other books in that topic series. And you can always click TrueFlix right here to go back to that first page if you like how that is laid out. But again, all of those subjects are available for clicking on the left. So this is a great resource, especially if you can't get into the library to get a physical book or the one you wanted is checked out. These are available and all you need is a library card. If you have any further questions about TrueFlix or any of our other databases, please feel free to contact the library and we would be glad to help you out. Thank you for watching and learning, and have a great day.